Hello guys, welcome to the first video of my channel. One day when I'm taking the photo shoots of my shoes, this is my Mary Jane shoes, something come up to my mind. I just randomly used this hairpin to clip on my shoes, and then I found out that wow, it's quite pretty, you know, and then it's actually wearable. Quite tons of buyers, they asked for me about, hey, is this accessories come with the shoes? Actually not. These are just my collection because I like to collect hairpins and then accessories, Y2K, anything colorful. They're really pretty. And then I collect tons of them. So today I'm going to actually DIY my shoes using these hairpins, which you can actually follow me to do this on your home as well by using those hairpins you have and hair accessories you have. So let's get started. First of all, I will try to choose the hairpin, okay, to attach it to the shoes. Alright, let me put 3 here. Which one do you think you should choose from? A, B, or C? C. Ta-da! Alright, let me try to attach these cute little hairpins to the Mary Jane shoes. I just attach here. Okay, now let's make it neater. Look. Ta-da! It's actually look very nice, isn't it? No, just simply attaching the hairpin to here, and it doesn't really hurt the toes as well, right? You can just attach it and then just detach it whenever you like. And then secondly, I think we should just add some ribbon or lace onto the shoes. What do you guys think? So I have 3 ribbons over here, blue, white, and pink. Which one do you think we should add to the shoes? A, B, or C? B. Ta-da! This is the best choice ever, guys. Alright, let us try to just attach this simple little lace ribbon onto the shoes. Okay, done. Okay, so that's for the DIY shoes for today. So next step, I have 3 socks over here. Which guys do you think that I should try on to fit these shoes? A, B, or C? Hey! Great job, guys! This is actually a very simple white socks. You can just purchase it anywhere from a few dollars. Okay, now let me try on the shoes now for you guys to take a look. Remember to click the subscribe button below and comment and let me know if you want a next episode of this series. Thank you guys!